up, everybody? You know, it's Gio, back with another vlog. It's actually the same day if you saw the last vlog. It's that same day, but an hour later, pretty much. I'm about to go pick up my drum set. I'll talk more on the drum set when I get there. But I just fixed my room a little bit, moved some things around, so that way I actually have room for the drum set to set it up, change heads, and all that good stuff. So, join me on this. It probably is not going to be a long vlog. Let's just go do the damn thing. Let's go do it. Let's just go do it, dog. Despite what anyone else thinks, I think this is a great way to start the day. Danimals. The one and only. Although I ordered it and they texted me that it's here, they're just double checking the bag because the guy that I ordered it with isn't here right now. So shout out to Jesse. I'll tag him somewhere in the video, hopefully, if I know how. But yeah, now that I'm here, I'm like super anxious. So I just really hope that everything went as planned. Go. We all wanted to see the finish, so we're just cracking it open right now.
Oh, there's some legs.
Okay, so that's probably the floor it's on, man.
There's that for you. You ready?
Let's go.
Oh, and they keep
it's
the
super
teeth
packaged.
coming. All right. Oh, the wood in here looks
Yeah, it's nice. Birch and mahogany.
Oh my god. I'm gonna be super careful because I'm not gonna be the one to do this. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god.
That finish is incredible.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
wrap.
Oh my god. Hold on, let's get this thing in some light for you. Oh, and it's light. Look at that. Oh my god.
It kind of reminds me of like the old school Ludwig kids.
It does. It does like the 68s.
Yeah.
So yeah. God. That is one of the seriously finest finishes I've ever seen on a drum set. Whew. Thank you, buddy.
My god, bro. We just looked at the finish. Oh shit! Woo! Oh my god, everything's packed up. I need to get home. I literally cannot wait any longer.
Alright, well, it's time to get like my. Oh, come on, focus. Focus. Okay. I just can't stop smiling. This is actually the first brand new drum set that I've gotten. I got a little bag here. I don't know what's in this bag. If it's a drum key, I'm going to be really happy because I actually just bought a drum key, but I really like the pearl ones. So please be the pearl drum key. It's so nice. I didn't think it would look like that. The old ones that Pro gave me, it was different. It had like a black pearl. I think I still have it on my old keychain. But yeah, this is actually really nice. I kind of wish I didn't buy the drum key that I bought. The thing with these kits is you order it, and it's supposed to be a bass drum 10, 12, 14, or 10, 12, 16. And then they give you either a free 14-inch floor tom or a 16-inch floor tom. And to be honest, I don't know if they gave that to me. So this is a test. This looks like a 16. So I think it's safe to say that they gave it to me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, it's so beautiful. I'm touching it with my hand, low-key, I don't want to. But damn, dude, this thing's fucking nice. Now, this is right out of the box, so I don't know how this is going to sound. I know that some of the lugs are loose, but... So yeah, it's all tuned, but damn, that thing's deep.
mahogany and the birch on the inside. See that little piece? You put the sticker right there to protect your bass drum hoop. Again, these are all brand new, so you get little stickers. Damn. Well, I think you guys get the point of unboxing it, right? So I'm just gonna right now. I actually don't have head with this, so this head I'm stuck with. But it seems fine. It seems like kind of like a PowerStroke 3. I'm just gonna kind of switch out heads and set it up and let you guys actually hear the damn thing. So here it goes. This kit so far, the color at least, is outstanding. Decade. Session Studio Select, mahogany / maple. Wait, oh my god, I can't speak. I'm so excited. Birch / mahogany shell. We got super hoops on the rims. We got opti mounts. We got the, I think they're called STS floor tom legs. Bro, it's amazing. Now, I'm just going to switch all the heads to what I like, including the snare drum head that I just got. And bottom heads, put the pillow in the bass drum, tune it up, and see how it sounds. I was thinking of doing like a, like just a one mic kind of like clip of me playing, but it'd be kind of annoying to sync the video. Here, I'm gonna try it anyway, and we'll just see how it goes from there. So yeah, this is my drum set. I'm gonna kind of play the toms individually. So here. You know, some interesting stuff. You looking at, huh? Huh? I'm gonna get the vacuum. I'm gonna go get the vacuum. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. My nephew's building a fort with the Pro boxes. Is this your house or your fort? Which one is it? Alright, cool. So what I'm now realizing is that I did not outro the video. So if you're watching this, and if you watch this, this is actually the same day you're probably watching this, so hello to your face. And thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Gonna be trying to vlog more, a little more here and there. Just trying to get back into it. Hopefully I can get a better camera. And just kind of vlog whenever I feel like things are getting interesting, you know. If any of you want more drum videos, please comment. Tell me what you want to see, and I'll make it. I mean, I love doing it. I just wish that I could do it better, if anything. But yeah, I got the set over there. It's kind of like disassembled right now because I'm working on some things. I changed the heads again. But as always, guys, thank you for watching. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. Do great things. Think positive thoughts. Be a legend. And peace out.